Hi, I'm a master's student majoring in computer science, and today we're going to be talking about CSMA CD. So let's begin with a question. Like, have you ever wondered how computers in a network can send data without interfering with data from other computers? Now, if you look at this example, we say we have more than 8 computers on a bus, but we're only looking at three or four of them. So what we can observe is it was very chaotic. There was no order, no rhyme or reason. Whenever any computer wanted to send data, it was sending. And if you notice, there were multiple collisions, and at the same time, multiple data streams were being passed on the bus, which is not ideal and which is actually not possible. So we're going to talk about what is a collision in terms of networks. So when two systems try to send systems try to send a message on a bus and they collide or they meet, that is a collision. So what we can observe is no two computers can send data at the same time. So coming back to our question, have you wondered how computers in a network can do this without having any collisions? Answer is pretty simple, which is what we're going to be talking about today, which is a carrier sends multiple access with collision detection. So we do have CSMA and then we have CSMA CD, and we're going to be talking about how the collision detection makes CSMA better. So how does it work? Now let's imagine that we are sending data, a computer is sending data on this bus, and we have another computer that wants to send data. So what it's going to do, it's going to listen to the network and it's going to see if there's some data that's being sent. So since it can hear traffic, it is not going to send data and it's going to wait for a while. Once it thinks that the network is clear, since it cannot listen to any traffic anymore, it will send the signal and then it will listen for collisions. If there are no collisions, it's going to say operation successful. But then again, what if two computers try to send data at the same time? So both of them want to send data, both of them sense there is no traffic and they're going to send data. And there's a collision. So now what they're going to do is they're going to, if ideally it was no traffic. So what it's going to do is going to send a jamming signal saying that there was a collision, and now only these two signals will be allowed to send data. Why? When they have a timer set with any redundant amounts. So to review, CSMA CD is a MAC method used for local area networking. It uses carrier sensing to defer transmissions until no other stations are transmitting. This is used in combination with collision detection, in which a transmitting station detects collisions by sensing transmission from other stations while it is transmitting a frame. When this collision condition is detected, the station stops transmitting that frame, transmits a jam signal for everyone else, and then waits for a random time interval before trying to resend the same frame. Thank you for watching. Please let me know in the comments below if you have any doubts.